So here's Meta AI app, and let's just show you a quick preview how it works. So here is like you just go through the app, it instantly goes through some kind of discover feed, which is kind of like Instagram feed of people who generated content with AI. And yeah, and then you can just write to it. So this is just a simple message. Then you can just tap plus, you can add a photo from camera or photo library. So for example, I can just use camera. I don't know, I can then just take any photo. And then I can just send it in here. So that's the idea. Then you can also talk to it. So yeah, you can then just, when your mic will turn on, so you can talk right away. So ready to talk functionality, you can just enable that. And then there are voice controls, this full duplex demo, kind of natural voice. So you can do that. There is voice which you can just change different types of voices. Ready to talk, start using the voice automatically when you open your Meta AI. And then there is also share, which you can then just go and tap on any message, copy, and then just copy the link to it. So something like that. So these are the features in the chat. And then, yeah, so then you have your account in here. Then you can see your profile, which is basically your profile, which is like your Facebook profile. You can also create your public prompts, which is pretty cool feature. So that's interesting. Then you have discover feed, which is, again, just like Instagram. Then there is your history, which you can just swipe and delete. Then there are notifications. Then this is the old MetaView part, because Meta AI app previously was MetaView app just for this Ray-Ban glasses. But then you can just add them in here. I guess nobody's using that. I mean, people is just getting more popular, but not that fast. And then here you just have access to your account center from Meta, app appearance, data and privacy. And then you can delete all your prompts. All prompts private, suggesting your prompts on other apps. So you can suggest your prompts on Facebook, Instagram. So that's interesting. So yeah, that's basically the idea in here. So there you have it.